Welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to get into geometric translations. Now what a translation is when you take a figure and slide it across a grid. And it preserves its size, but just the coordinates move and the figure stays the same shape, same size, is just slid across the XY grid. So we're going to take a look at what you do with a translation. All right. So we have the graph RULE. All right. So we're going to graph those points first. So R is 0, -4. U is 4, -2. L is 6, -4. And E is 4, -6. All right, so it looks like a nice little diamond. All right, so we're sliding this to the left 6 and up 8. So that means the rule x minus 6. All right, x minus 6. So that means left 6. So each of these points are going left 6. And then up 8. So I'm going to make my new R here, R prime, U prime, L prime, and E I have to go up also, 8 spots, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's one red, E prime. There's my figure translated. All right, left 6 and up 8. So my R prime is going to be, it looks like -6, 4. My U prime is going to be -2, 6. My L prime is going to be 0, 4. And my E prime is going to be -2, 2. And you can also double check by using the rules for each of the points, right? So if we -6, add 8 to each of these numbers here, -6, right? 0 minus 6 is -6. -4 plus 8 is +4. 4 minus 6 is -2. -2 plus 8 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. -4 plus 8 is 4. 4 minus 6 is -2, and -6 plus 8 is +2. So all of these points end up being translated. So you could either apply those addition or subtraction before you slide on the graph, but I want us to get used to at least sliding the points on the graph and seeing how it goes. All right. So now let's take a look at a scenario where we have to figure out how the graph is slid. All right. So if we look at number 4, we want to see how A gets to A prime. So we first start off left and right. So it's going to go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if it's going to go left 7, it's going to go x minus 7. And then it's going to go down, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down 8. So that's my rule, my translation rule from A prime to, or A to A prime. All right. Let's see if that works for the other points. All right. Left 7, down 8. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And the same thing with this one. Left 7, down 8. All right, so that is my translation rule. All right. And just like coordinates, x, which is the first coordinate, moves, translates it left and right. The y moves it up and down. Okay, negative x means you go left. Positive x means you go right. Negative y means you go down. Positive y means you go up. Okay, so that's it for today's unit on translations. Tomorrow we're going to be getting into rotations, and let me know if you have any questions in class.